Today, nutrition is very significant because we have understood the basics, what the nutrients do inside your body. For we eat food to make your body work. So the first thing that is required for that is energy, and second after that is protein production, and then there is a waste distribution, waste disposal. So all these things are a combination. So for all these things you require good nutrition. And why this and what is happening here is nothing but when there is a process that happens inside your body when you eat food, and we call that certain biochemical reactions and metabolism. And when this happens, there is something which is produced in the body, and that molecule is called as free radicals. Free radicals are nothing but, actually we can say this is a negative part of your food intake or your metabolism, because this is producing something which is capable of destroying you. But even then it is called as a signal for various metabolic reactions or actions. So on one side you need these signals. So free radicals are not always bad. It is a signal which can trigger a lot of other reactions that is happening for our better life. So free radicals, today what happened is, because we are producing more and more free radicals, and that is not neutralized properly. So you need good neutralization of these free radicals. So in fact, life is nothing but a balance between the production of free radicals and the neutralization or usage of free radicals, and then if there is excess, it has to be neutralized. So today it is having an excess, very much excess free radical production in the body, and that is producing very much too much of oxidative stress. So the stress that is produced by too much of free radical is known as oxidative stress. And when you say oxidative stress, it means oxygen is going to destroy you. And why this happen? Because you are consuming or taking in more oxygen and not enough food. So the food and oxygen is not matching. So there is too much of oxidative stress. Oxygen is going to destroy you. Oxygen produces free radicals in the body, and these free radicals are not fully utilized. Normally what happens is we always have 4% of the oxygen that is inhaled is acting as the free radical, or you can say a toxic version. But that is very, very essential for all our defense mechanisms to work. So that's a trigger, or that's a stimulus. But unfortunately today what happened is free radical production is more and there is no neutralization. So what you need to neutralize in the food? So you get oxygen from the air, or you get food and lot of nutrients from food and water. So the thing that is required is lot of macro and micronutrients are required. And these micronutrients are required in adequate portion of your demand. That is maybe your body's demand of profession or any job or learning or maybe any business or what all activities you are in. Your body has to produce sufficient energy and sufficient destruction. So the destruction is free radical, and these free radical has to be neutralized. And the substances that is neutralizing these free radicals are nothing but it is known as antioxidants. Antioxidants are substances that is present in food, and these nutrients contain extra electrons. So it can satisfy the free radical or the demand for electrons by the oxygen, so they neutralize each other and you have a good balanced life. As long as a combination of the free radical, its usage, and antioxidant production and the antioxidant distribution is in balance, you will have a very good life. And today in our basic requirement, what we need is a balancing between free radicals, antioxidants, and the proper utilization. So on this basis we have to understand that this is the basis in which our body works, and is the basic biochemical and metabolic understanding of human life, and also any other animal's life also. So the food here is very, very significant.